Log into Goldshell Pay. Click on Settings. Navigate to the normal page where you will see the Cloud Backup feature, which cannot be used without enabling two-step verification. Click Two-Step Authentication and follow the instructions to complete the verification. After completing two-step verification, click Google Drive to start the cloud backup process. During the backup process, you need to authorize the backup fully. Otherwise, you cannot use the backup feature. Remember the PIN code you set, as it will be your unique payment identifier. Please note that we cannot assist in recovering this PIN.